Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are sharing a simple and inexpensive way to make your dolls a version of American Girl's Truly Me Day and Nightstand. Complete with all the accessories, this adorable and functional bedside table is the perfect addition to Minnie Beth's bedroom. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! The nightstand is made mostly from recycled paperboard. Start by cutting a rectangle 12 by 11 centimeters. Measure and mark 2 centimeters from one long end, then place a round container at each corner to trace the curve. Cut away the excess paperboard to get your template. Trace and cut 4 more from paperboard and 1 from 10mm foam board. Glue 3 paperboard cutouts together for the tabletop. For the drawer, trace your template again onto paperboard, then reduce the width slightly. Add 2 side walls, the back wall and tabs. Cut out, then assemble by gluing the tabs behind the back wall. For the drawer front, cut a long rectangle that includes a 1 centimeter tab. Cut multiple slits along the tab as seen on screen. Adhere the tabs with liquid glue to the drawer, lining it up with the front edge and matching the curved corners of the drawer. There should be a 1 centimeter overlap of paperboard at each side. Secure this join with more glue. Take one of your cutouts and reduce the width and length slightly so it will fit inside the drawer to make it stronger. Now cut another rectangle of paperboard, gluing it over the front panel. Match up the top edge. But note you will have 1 centimeter of paperboard showing at the bottom. Set aside for now. For legs, we cut a dowel rod into 4 11 centimeter long pieces. If you don't have dowel, you can roll paper tubes with a 1 centimeter diameter. Prep the wood with an undercoat of white paint. Then paint gold to match AG's colour scheme. Take your foam board cutout, measure and mark 2 centimeters in from all 4 sides. Draw an X in each subsequent square. Then place your dowel over the centre point and trace. This will ensure all 4 legs are evenly spaced. Carefully cut away the foam core, but try not to puncture through the top paperboard layer. Now you have a well to insert the top centimeter of each table leg for better strength and stability. Now cut 2 rectangles of paperboard. Crease them at 9 centimeters, then adhere them around the sides and back of the foam core for outer walls. With our table and drawer assembled, we can paint. Mix up a light lavender colour, then paint all the paperboard pieces, both inside and out. It took us 3 coats to achieve complete coverage with minimal brush strokes. When the paint has dried, fill the holes you made earlier with hot glue and insert the 4 table legs. Then attach the tabletop piece. For a handle, draw, cut, stack and glue 4 ovals from paperboard. Hot glue a bead to each side, then paint gold. Adhere this to the centre front of the drawer and your table is done. Now for the accessories. To make a working lamp, we used a round container lid 4.5 centimeters in diameter, button, large round bead, scrap of dowel and electric tea candle. Hot glue the button to the centre of your lid, concave side up. Hot glue the bead to the button, then paint to match the AG lamp colours. Push your dowel into the top of the bead, leaving at least 5 centimeters exposed above. The clock face is a circle of paperboard and one of blue cardstock glued together. The numbers are added in black pen. Glue to the front of your bead. Our lampshade is made from white poster board. Draw the graphic design in pink marker, referencing an image from AG's website. The zigzag, dots and dashes were easy to replicate and don't have to be perfect. To mount the lampshade, we took an empty clear container, cut down the side to be 1 centimeter, then cut away a hole in the center, the same size as our tea light. Hot glue the tea light inside the container with the on-off switch facing up. On the back side of the paperboard, draw a 1 centimeter line from the top. This will guide us when adhering the shade to the mount. Lastly, put hot glue on the tea light flame. Then join this to the dowel, holding still until the glue has set. For a doll drinking cup, we recycled the clear cap from our puffy paint bottle. The water will be made using resin. This brand requires a 50-50 mix ratio from bottles A and B. Pour the resin directly into the cap, then gently stir to combine. Set aside for an hour to partially harden. For ice cubes, we are using these tiny crystal drops. Sprinkle a few atop the resin, then allow the product time to fully cure. Next up, the pot plant. For the pot, we upcycled a plastic condiments container and spray painted it yellow. To match the pebbles seen in the AG version, we filled the pot with white air-dry clay, then used a hard bristled brush to make texture. Flip around and use the smooth end to create a well in the center. For leaves, pinch off a small amount of green air-dry clay, roll it out into a thin log, then press flat. Gently pinch one end to make the classic succulent leaf shape. Then curl your leaf over a toothpick to make the center vein. Place the base of your leaf into the hole we made earlier, adding more leaves to make a ring. At the center of the plant, place a smaller, thicker bulb, then continue layering your leaves until you reach a thickness that works with the container. Leave your clay to dry and harden, and your pot plant is complete. Finally, let's make the journal. Cut 6 pieces of computer paper down to 8 by 6 centimeters. Fold each piece of paper in half, then round the corners. Screenshot the front cover from AG's website, resizing to be 4 by 6 centimeters. Print and cut out. Glue an image to each side of your paper as seen on screen. To adhere the pages to your cover, sew a straight stitch up the center line in white thread. Close the book and it's ready for your dolls. We hope you found this day and nightstand tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and turn on the bell to get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!